Hi, welcome to the new video. We have 5 power x over 25 equals 60. Find the value of x. We will start the solution of this question. In the first step, we will cross multiply. 25 will multiply with 60, so it will be 5 power x equals 60 into 25. Now, in the next step, we will take logarithm on the both sides to find the value of x. By taking log on both sides, we will get on the left side it will be log of 5 power x equals log of 60 times 25. Now start. Now for the right hand side it will be log of m times n equals log of m plus log of n. Now we will put these two formulas in the above equation. It will become x times log of 5 equals log of 60 plus log of 25. Now in the next step we will write x log of 5 equals log of what is 60? 60 is basically 5 into 12 plus log of 25 is basically 5 square. Now on the right hand side we will use the above formula again. So it will be x log of 5 equals log of 5 plus log of 12 plus, for this it will be 2 times log of 5. Now in the next step we will divide log of 5 on both sides. So we will get the equation by cancelling the like terms. Log of 5 cancel with log of 5, log of 5 cancel with log of 5, and log of 5 cancel with log of 5. X equals 1 plus log of 12 by log of 5 plus 2. So x will be equals to 1 plus 2, 3 plus log of 12 by log of 5. Now we'll use formula log of m over log of n equals log of m the base n. So we will get the value of x equals 3 plus log of 12 with the base 5. This is the final answer of x. Now we have to verify this value of x by putting this value of x in the given question. And the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we'll start checking it. We write the question 5 power x over 25 equals 60. Now we will put the value of x here. It will be 5 power 3 plus log of 12 with the base 5 over 25 equals 60. I forget to write 25 here. Now I rewrite it. So 5 power 3 times 5 power log of 12 with the base 5 over 25 equals 60. Now for this term 5 power log of 12 with the base 5, we will use a formula a power log of b with the base a always equals to b. So it will be 5 cubed 125 times, here b is 12 over 25 equals 60. 25 125 5 125 and 5 into 12 is 60, so 60 equals 60. It means left hand side equal right hand side. Our value of x3 plus log of 12 in the base 5 is correct. This is the final answer. I hope you understand this step-by-step solution of this question. Please like the video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. This is the overall solution of this question. 5 to the power x over 25 equals 60.